Hi friends, today we will see how we can subtract two number in any Android phone using Microsoft Excel. So suppose we have a two number. Here I'm gonna insert first number, and in Excel I'm gonna insert second number, and here we will total. Okay, give a number. I'm giving now 98, and here I'm giving 57. Here is 77, and here is 89. So suppose I want to subtract two numbers. So what we will do, we will first give here equal sign, and then we will click on, or we will tap on 98. Then we will give minus, and then we will tap on second number. Just press enter button. Now look, 98 minus 57 is equal to 41. Again we will do the same. Here equal to, now tap on first number, now give minus, and tap on second number. Here I just press enter button. Now you can see that we have successfully subtracted two numbers. If you subtract 89 from 77, then you will get minus 12. So friends, you can see that we have successfully subtracted two number in any Android phone using Microsoft Excel. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.